Hey guys, and here is the second of the players I've got like half a year ago. I still had no any chance like to work on them. This one I believe has a belt broken, still has a nice shape. It has separate head for forward and reverse, but just single capstan as you may see, and single pinch roller. Okay. Pretty interesting design. It's claimed to be a pretty nice player, so let's open and see what it needs. So we may order parts for it. I'm using iFixit set to work on it, so it's not advertisement. I've got it myself. Here is the front, here is the back. I like to order. I have belts. I'm ordered like half a year ago, but I still need to order capacitors to make sure that this will work properly. And I like to listen how this top of the line will play, because it's 999. Many people don't think it's a good one, but I have a different opinion. I have read about it, I have looked into schematic, and it looks to be a better version. Okay, now when I remove its screws, okay, we also need to remove this part here. So technically you just need to gently push this pin up to let it go through it. Okay, like that. See? Easy. And now it should go. Opened. Yeah, I see. Belt is fried. There are just pieces of it. Yeah, let's do it. Oh yeah, how to get there? I hope it will be a little bit easier. We have two cables to desolder, two screws, and we have something here. Looks like no one was working on this, so it's original. And that's the perfect news, because Iowa was opening before, belts replaced it, but it was not fully fixed. And here is the third screw on the board. So now carefully, by keeping the cable and trying to remove the tape. And here is the insert for the volume rocker, and put it right here, and here we have connector. Oh, perfect. I need to open board to see how we can disconnect it easily. Now let's remove these cables. Shouldn't be a big deal, right? Come on. There we go. Not sure why. Something holding. Here we go. That's one. Okay. It was glued, so that's why. This has the same issue. It has a glue underneath. So that's where it was glued and then soldered. So we will work carefully. And oh, it's stuck hard. Okay, let me gently push underneath. Done. Now we can desolder these 3 pins. Done. So 2 and 3. Good. Removing the rest of the glue. And now we can remove screws. So 1 is here. Sorry. That's the white one. 1 is here. This player has to go over capacitors replacement, otherwise they will not work well. Whenever you do. Let's see what else holding. So here is go, this one. Go. Right, now here. Not sure how it holds here. Nothing to solder, nothing to remove. How do I sit here? It's probably same as this one. This one goes together with the plastic. No. No. Still won't go. Oh, here a small screw laser. It's the white one, but it's longer than the one which was keeping the board. Okay, here we go. Still goes together. And here is another one. All right. It's long one as well. Come on. So there's the motor. That one. Okay, now. Okay, push it a bit. How to open this one? Oh. So the plastic pieces, and then the only motor left, and we can open it like that. you see, and here is no any electrolytic capacitors in this model. So as soon as we replace the belt, it should be a short one here, it should work. Here is a magnet. All gears looks to be intact. That's a good sign. Okay, the rest of the belt. The good news is hardened. So, and see, this has a FG model, like direct drive. That's what many guys don't observe because it was not advertised. And as we have FG motor, it should be very stable with low wound flutter. And it's 999 model from Sony. Here, as I said, this piece didn't go back. Okay, so it pushes out. How it's possible? Something doesn't work here. Oh. It should be switching modes with this electromagnet. Should be pushing out. I never seen these designs. So there is a spring, so that's the magnet. That's the only thing it can do. Maybe push in, not out. This mechanism should go out like that, and then it will switch to the next mode. See, it's reverse switch. This one reverse. Should go to this direction, switch, and then it should go. Why? Interesting design. At least everything works. Now let me pull the belts. And with a full set, this one for $9.99. Here we go. Okay, as soon as we assemble, it should work now. Good. Let's see if we can assemble it now. So, how to push it up? This cable right here. Okay, this cable right here. And this two. Okay. Now we have to gently insert this guy here. I'm not sure if this one should open, but it would be nice. I do not see how to open it. So maybe use the force to put you back. Everything is so small. Okay, we in. Next, let me check all the pieces which fall out. This one is around here. That's not the case. I believe that's the case. Go inside. Like that. Okay. Something in the middle. Technically we shouldn't be touching anything. Oh, so here is a reverse switch. It gets properly in. Okay. There we go. Okay. All pins sits properly closed. Now we can glue back this cable. Okay. New belt works. That's nice. Now screws. So one on here. Another long from here. Done. Too short. Here. Another one. Good. And the one which goes to connect the ground. Everything is extra small here. Why? Now we have to solder these wires right here. That's the one. And that is the other one. Okay. Let me check. Okay, it's connected. Sound good. Now let me install the battery. Let's see the modes. So reverse, fast forward, stop, play. Okay, let's play. Reverse don't want. Something doesn't work yet. Alright, let me play a little bit more. Let's see, probably this mechanism, as I show you, don't work smoothly. Probably I need to check more. Alright, see you. Okay guys, here I disassembled this mechanism. And how is it made? So here is a permanent magnet. You see, this is the small one. See, it's right here in between. Okay, and when our insert is in, as soon as we close the coil, this magnet field holds this inside, and it holds quite strong. So you see, I'm pulling out, and it requires some force. So that's by design. So that's stuck there by design. So now I can assemble this part back to better understand how it should work. Okay. So technically this insert goes and stuck here. You see, I need to push a little bit in the beginning to move it out. So that's where I can put this lever back and put this spring back on it. Okay, there you go. Come on. Okay, I need to find the spring. It just been here and shoot somewhere. Now is this insert again? Okay, give me a moment. Okay, I found it and fixed it back. So now you see, as soon as magnet should use pulls, the spring will pull it out. And we should be free. And now this piece here sits on top. Another spring to keep it. So, and small ring on top of it to keep it all together. Another one piece not to lose. Okay, now it rotates and it sits properly. So this part should work. It should be pulls going to this system to release it, and then when motor will be rotating, it will get into opposite direction. And then we can use it. It's kind of fast forward rotate, fast forward rewind. Maybe how to get rewind. It's in here. This position, yeah, see it doesn't connect, it shows. Alright, let's do one more. Here we go, you see? Let's play back. So everything looks to be fine. Let me see how it will go. You see, it switches the direction. And it should be pushing this switch here into different positions, okay, with this lever. Alright, you see here some bump. Need to clean up. So something wrong. Yeah, we have here one more piece of the belt left. I didn't mention. Okay, let me do it and meet you there. Well guys, after a while we playing. Am I here? Reverse. Stop. Fast forward. Stop. Rewind. Stop. Play. Reverse. Okay, so still like to see if I can reduce wow and flutter by lubricating, but that would be it. So what I also mentioned is that if I use super bass, when my record already has lots of bass, it starts to distort a little bit. But that's what we have from these players. Okay, so that's how you may work on your players and make them running. See you. Alright everyone, and this would be the final test after assembly. So this is the nice Sony Walkman top grade EX999. You see, you can open close the control buttons. It has super bass with two different modes: standard, maximum, standard, medium and maximum record volume. It has Dolby system, we can turn on and off, and reverse mode. Okay, so that's where I'm installing the tape. It's pre-recorded tape. Okay, and playing. Okay, and reverse. Okay, stop, fast forward mode. Come on, it says battery is not enough. Okay, reverse. It rotates, not mega quick, but quicker than in the play mode. Playing. And reverse mode. Okay. As a handheld device, it don't give the same wow and flutter as a cassette decks, but still pretty nice toy to play with. Alright. And you need to supply this connector. I get it from my another Walkman from 702 model, which is recording Walkman. So I have multiple full sets there, so I can play with other Walkmans. Alright, that would be it for this installation work. Pretty nice Walkman. Let me know what you think. Thank you and bye bye.